Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by clamping the club firmly in a vise, head wrapped to prevent damage. Once locked, slice the old grip lengthwise and peel it off carefully. Remove old double-sided tape and any residue so the shaft is clean. Now apply a single strip of new double-sided grip tape from the butt to the end of the shaft, overlap 1/8. With the grip taped and solvent applied to inside and tape, position the compressor nozzle at the grip butt. You will pulse short bursts of air, 1 to 2 seconds, while simultaneously sliding the grip onto the shaft. The air creates a pneumatic layer that lets the grip glide and positions without excessive lubricant. Make sure to align any logos or seams as you push. Once the grip is on, set the club upright and let it cure for 10 to 15 minutes so the adhesive bonds. Do not twist or handle the grip during this time. After cure, trim any protruding tape at the butt and check rotation and feel. Rotate slightly if needed within first few minutes. If the grip slips later, repressurize with short air bursts while straightening or remove and reapply solvent and tape. Use the compressor sparingly to avoid blowing out the adhesive layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.